Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. In this video, we are unboxing or rather taking out of the envelope this new debit card. So this is a new debit card from HDFC and it is for the preferred customers. Although there are versions of this card for different customers which would have classic or other banking programs, or even those which regular bank accounts can also get this card. So let us go ahead and open it. Now before we continue with the rest of the video, there is a small update regarding the channel. So firstly, if you have not subscribed, then please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any new updates. Now secondly, the join button has now been activated. So if you want, you can go ahead and click on join and then you can become a member of this channel. So this is what we get in the envelope. So basically just a little page that gives us the details of this debit card and the card itself. So this is the new redesigned Platinum Debit Card by HDFC, and this is the variant of that debit card which is for the preferred banking customers. However, the new Platinum debit card are available for all customers, whether you are a preferred or classic bank account holder, or even if you have a regular bank account, you can still get this card, but it will just be a little bit different in terms of the design, but the features will mostly be the same to some extent. So let's just go ahead and look at this debit card. Now here I am on the HDFC's website, and particularly I am on the card section, and under that into the debit card section, and this is the web page for their debit cards. So this is the new debit card that they have actually launched. So HDFC has sort of rebranded the Platinum debit card, and you can see this is the basic debit card, the Platinum basic debit card that you will get if you have a regular account. And then we have the variants of this. So this is the Platinum debit card where for the Imperia account holders. And then below that we have the Platinum debit card for preferred banking customers. So I just showed you this card. And then we also have this one for the classic account holders as well. So these are the variants. And there is also this Vishesh Platinum debit card. I don't know what this pertains to, but these are most of the Platinum debit cards that are associated with the HDFC Bank accounts, and you can see your eligibility on the net banking. And before these debit cards were launched, they were actually these cards that are called the Easy Shop Platinum debit cards. So these were the ones that actually predated the new one. So earlier it was Easy Shop Platinum debit card. Now it's just Platinum debit card. Now there are differences between both. So the features are much better on the new debit cards than on the old one. So this is the Easy Shop Platinum debit card, and this is one is for the classic account holder. Then we have one for preferred account holders, and then obviously for the Imperia one. But HDFC has redesigned this, and they have launched these cards, and these are debit cards with a new look and new features. So if I open this one, so this is the page for the preferred Platinum debit card, and here if I scroll down, you can see there are some benefits exclusive to this card. So what I mean by exclusive to this card is the Platinum debit card, not just the preferred one. So here you can see that there is a 5% discount on Swiggy, then we have 25 discount on Book My Show, then we have 5 cashback points on international spends. So I haven't gone through the fine print yet, the terms and conditions yet, but I'll do that soon. But one good thing about this card is that now we have the golf benefits on this debit card. And unfortunately, there is a spend-based criteria. So it says that this program offering is applicable for eligible card holders. So those who have that card and who have spent a 10,000 or above in the previous quarter. So you need to spend 10,000 rupees with this debit card on the last quarter to unlock the benefit in the next quarter. So these are some of the benefits, and good thing about this is that a golf benefit has been included. Now other features like most of them are pretty much the same, and there is a lounge access associated with this. So I think this is only the domestic, and all of the other ones are pretty much similar to the ones that we had earlier. So this one was the Easy Shop Platinum debit card. Here you can see that there is no golf benefit associated with this, nor there is a concierge service. But below that, you can see that there was cash points on spends on this debit card. Other than that, there were basically just two complimentary launch access, which are on the new card as well. Rest of the things, the new benefits are missing from this card. Now, just to give you an idea, I'll open the basic Platinum debit card, and here again you can see that the 5% discount on Swiggy, 25% on Book My Show, and that 5% cash points on the international spends are still there. Even on the basic card, you don't need the preferred classic or Imperia for this. And again, on this one, we have the golf benefits, and you can see that the same 10,000 rupees spend criteria is on the basic card as well. So on most of the features, these cards seems a little bit similar. Either you have a basic bank account or you have a preferred classic. You still have all of these features on your debit card. Those were the benefits and all of the things that I just wanted to showcase in this video. I'll do a separate video in case you guys are interested. So if you want to see a video on these debit cards, then please leave a comment down below and I'll try to make a video as soon as possible. I'll go through a terms and condition. I'll see what are some of the benefits of this debit card. So now that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos in the future. And I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.